Many people don't know whether to fry chives or eggs first. It's not easy to make it correctly, and it can end up unappetizing. Today, the chef will teach you a trick. Just add one more step. The chive fried eggs you make will taste like tofu. It's very delicious. And after watching the video, I'm sure you'll learn a great dish. First, prepare a piece of fresh chives. Remove any rotten leaves from the root. Then place the chives in a stainless steel bowl. Add a spoonful of white salt, pour in some water, and soak for 2 minutes. The salt helps disinfect and remove sand. After soaking, rub the roots clean because they are often very dirty. Wash the leaves gently. Once clean, drain the water and place the chives on a cutting board. Cut the chives into small pieces about 0.5 centimeters long. After cutting, place the chives on a plate. Next, prepare 10 wen worth of chives, about a catty. Cut them in half and slice them into green onion-like pieces, then set them aside on another plate. In advance, prepare a sauce by mixing a spoonful of oyster sauce, a spoonful of soy sauce, a little salt, a spoonful of cornstarch, and 100 milliliters of water in a saucepan. Stir it well. Now, prepare 5 eggs and place them in a glass bowl. Add a spoonful of salt and pour in an appropriate amount of water. Soak the eggs for 2 minutes to soften their shells, then rub each egg clean. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a little dried shrimp skin for freshness, half a spoonful of salt, and a little pepper. Stir the egg mixture well with chopsticks. Heat a pan and pour in some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped green onions and stir-fry until fragrant. Then add the chopped chives and stir-fry for 1 minute to remove excess moisture. Remove the stir-fried chives from the pan and place them in a bowl. Use chopsticks to separate the mixture and let it cool quickly. Once cooled, pour the egg mixture over the chives. Mix them together using chopsticks. Heat another pan with a little oil. When the oil is hot, pour in the chive and egg mixture. Before the bottom sets, gently push the mixture with a spatula to distribute the heat evenly. Fry the eggs until they are slightly tender for a smoother texture. Avoid over-frying to maintain the dish's appearance. Flip and cook both sides, then divide the mixture into small pieces using a spatula. Finally, pour the prepared sauce over the eggs. Stir-fry on low heat for 6 to 7 times to let the eggs absorb the sauce. Once done, the dish is ready to serve. Fried leeks and eggs made this way look incredibly appetizing. They are truly delicious, especially with rice. The aroma of the wine is strong, and the eggs are tender. If you like this recipe, save it and try it at home.